Let's now talk about our horizontal terminations. At the top of the wall, use a 2-piece J-trim horizontally. Measure the total length of the wall and subtract 4 inches from your measurement and then make your cut. Secure the horizontal 2-piece J-trim along the fastener line using plank backers 16-inch on center and no closer than 2 inches from the ends. Plank backers at the top of the wall are required to hold the last plank in place. When the distance of the wall exceeds the length of a single trim, you can butt 2 back plates together. Remember to not overlap back plates and leave all the top caps off until the plank installation is complete.